Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be celebrating 200 subscribers. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to do three things. One, oh no, my neighbors. Dang it. Dang it. Oh, why? My neighbors never come outside, and then all of a sudden they decided to come outside right now. I'm just going to wait for him to leave. You know what? I'm just going to keep talking. So I'm going to be doing three things. One, I'm going to go and pick up my brother and get the supplies, decorations, and my favorite coffee. Two, I'm going to go clean my room because my room's a mess. Three, make a food. So I'm going to be making pasta with like Somali food. I'm going to make that tonight. And actually four, film the video. So I noticed you guys really like vlogs, and so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make this more of a vlog video. I'm not gonna be wearing makeup for most of this video, and honestly I am so embarrassed by how hard I tried to make myself look older, because I used to do the most. I used to put on all sorts of makeup, wear heels, wear professional clothing every time I stepped out of the house, just to prove to people that I looked 18 at least. I mean, I'm 23, but having a baby face and looking really short has a lot of cons, because like no matter what I did, I still look like a minor, so I just embraced it. So I'm wearing one of my sister's hoodies and it's Patrick Laughing. I absolutely love it. It's really cute, and honestly I used to just avoid wearing hoodies in public because I knew I would automatically be labeled as a child, and now I'm wearing Skechers, like white Skechers shoes. I don't care anymore. Like, I'm turning 24 in a few months, and I'm way too old to be so worried about what other people think. And honestly, if somebody has a problem with my acne, they can just shove it. My acne hasn't gotten too bad. Most of it is on my forehead and in my chin. Oh no, more neighbors. Why did they decide to come right now? I have never met these neighbors in my life, and they keep pulling up today. You know what? I'm just gonna stop filming, and I'm just gonna go pick up my brother and get the supplies ready for tonight. And yeah, I hope you like the rest of this video. Bye. Okay guys, so I just got everything that I need. I just got my favorite coffee. It's right here, Vietnamese iced coffee. And I got 200 balloons, like not 200 balloons, but 200. And I got silver this time. I wanted gold, but I could not find the number 2 at all. Like, I looked up and down every aisle, and I could not find these little gold number 2s, so I just got silver this time. And probably, like, when I get 300, I'm going to switch it to gold again. Oh, there's someone watching me. But yeah, that's all I wanted to say, quick update, and now I'm going to drive home, clean my room, make food, and then I'll start the celebration video. Okay guys, so this is my room. It is really messy right now, and it's because I made that video dressing up for Eid and I just left the clothes everywhere. So I'm going to do a quick time lapse of cleaning this area. So I just made something really simple for a food time, and it's something that I know how to make really well, and it's basta. Basta means pasta in Somali. And what I did was I just used 3 colored pasta, put it in, and I also made a regular, sugo. Sugo means pasta sauce, or no, it means meat sauce that we do all the time for Somali food, and I added it together. Okay guys, so I just finished decorating. You see that 200? I actually don't mind it being silver anymore. It looks pretty nice. And what I'm gonna do is I have to wait an hour and a half to eat. So unfortunately you guys just have to wait for me. Yeah, so Ramadan is not a easy month for me. I do struggle with it a lot. Only because, you know, not eating is something that's really hard for me to not do. And I'm just going to spend the rest of the hour and a half filming a different video to kind of get my mind off of things. I'll see you at Afur time. Hey guys, so it's Afur time, and it was Afur time for almost 15 minutes. But since I was not fasting for 7 days, because, you know, there's a period where women cannot fast, and I was off the loop and completely forgot what time Afur was, so let me just eat. Oh, this is pretty tough. Oh god. So check out the pasta I made. So funny thing, I actually almost burnt my pasta because my younger sister went downstairs to check it out and I did not turn off the heat and it was on medium high. So if she did not come downstairs and check my pasta, it would have burned, but it looks really, really good. Let's eat. Maybe. Listen, I don't want to hear none of y'all complaining about me eating with my hands. It's a cultural thing, and to any Somali who thinks, you know, eating with your hands is barbaric, you know, that is self-hating. So, yeah. Oh. Yeah, I wasn't getting the 200 in view. You know, I paid $8 for this, so I gotta make the most of my money. Mm-hmm. I don't know, I just had so much to say. I feel like I should have sat down and talked about it before a full time. This is why I don't do videos during Ramadan. Like, I've been super active on my YouTube because, you know, I didn't have to fast. Okay, yeah, probably too TMI. But yeah, I'm just gonna go before I start talking too much because I feel like just the lack of food and feeling tired is just making me loose-lipped tonight. I think it's only been a few days since I was at 100 subscribers. Like, I was just thanking everybody. Was it last week? I don't remember, but I just remember like a few days ago, like 4 days ago, I was at 100 and then I blink and now it's 200. That is amazing, and I just love the growth and we love to see it. Yeah, I'm going to come out with a few more videos at least before Eid time. But I got a question for you guys. Do you want me to do like a Eid vlog, or do you just want me to do something else? Like, give me suggestions in the comments, because I'm just going off of anything, you know. I like to sit down and write loads of YouTube ideas and make scripts. So then if you have any recommendations or something you want to see, just leave a comment below. Don't feel like afraid of asking for stuff, because I would love to do suggestions that you guys make. Thank you so much for 200 subscribers. You know, I'm starting to feel like a legit person, you know, and I feel like I am more proud of getting 200 YouTube subscribers than getting 300 Instagram followers, because I feel like Instagram followers are basically based on who you know and based on superficial things like looks, you know. So I feel like for YouTube to get subscribers means that someone really likes my personality and the work that I put into my videos. So I just find getting 200 subscribers such a huge accomplishment. Thank you guys so much, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye.